How's it going, everyone? And welcome to another property tour with Pelican Property Management Services. My name is Felix. I am the broker owner and your local expert for long-term rentals here on the beautiful Gulf Coast. I'm excited to show you around this fantastic rental located at 5747 Peach Drive. Let's get started. So this property is located here in Pace, Florida. It's in this beautiful subdivision located at this cul-de-sac, at the end of this cul-de-sac. The entrance to this neighborhood is on Bell Lane here in Pace, Florida. And where this house is located, it sits about 10 minutes from Highway 90 near the Lowe's and about 10 minutes from Avalon near that new Circle K. Let's take a look. So the property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It has this nice 2-car garage here and plenty of room for parking. So you could probably fit some more vehicles there. As we enter through the front door, nice and open space here. All right, you have one of the bedrooms right here, right at the front door. Give you an idea of space and the closet. And then right by that bedroom is the hallway bath and guest bath. And then across from that space, you have the entrance to the garage and the second bedroom. Look back here, and that's the closet space. And then as you enter back out here, you're back into the living room. All right, now this property does come with a washer and dryer. There they are. And then you have a nice size linen closet here. And then the primary bedroom. All right, as we enter the bathroom here, has dual vanity sinks, a tub, and a nice tile shower. A walk-in closet. We'll kind of go around here. So plenty of room. And then there's the toilet right there. Go back out here. So the property is pet friendly. Let's take you on outside. All stainless steel appliances. Oh, let's not forget about the kitchen. Nice and open. You have an island there. Pantry. That would be where your dining table would go. And then you have space over there as well. Once again, nice stainless steel appliances. And then we have the backyard. So you have a little seating area right there. And then right there. Take a look back in. Once again, thank you so much for joining me on this tour today. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything here at 5747 Peach Drive has to offer. If you have any questions or would like to apply for this home, feel free to call or text me directly at 850-417-3247. And if you're a property owner looking for help managing your rental, Pelican Property Management Service is here for you. You may also give me a call at 850-417-3247 to find out how we can make your life easier. Thanks for watching.